Imagine a food so simple yet so powerful. A food that cools your body in extreme heat. A food that connects generations. A food that represents the heart of a culture. This is not just rice. This is Pakhala. And today we are going to explore the story behind Pakhala Divas, a beautiful celebration from the state of Odisha. What is Pakhala? Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is Pakhala? Pakhala is made by soaking cooked rice in water. Sometimes it is left overnight to ferment slightly. The next day it becomes cool, soft, and refreshing. People eat with curd, salt, green chilies, fried vegetable, or fish. In hot weather, when heavy food feels uncomfortable, Pakhala feels like blessing. It is not fancy, it is not expensive, but it is perfect for survival and comfort. The summer connection. Now imagine living in a place where summer is very harass. Hot winds, sweat, no energy. This is the reality in many parts of Odisha. That's where Pakhala comes in. It cools the body, keeps you hydrated, helps digestion. Long before modern science, people already knew what their body needed. Pakhala was not just food, it was natural science in a ball. In Odisha, Pakhala is not just eaten, it is lived. From small villages to big cities like Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, every home has its own way of making Pakhala. Imagine a family sitting together, sharing a simple meal, laughing, talking, no luxury but full of happiness. This is the beauty of Pakhala. Next, emotional and cultural value. For many people, Pakhala is not just food, it is childhood memories. It reminds them of their mother's cooking, summer afternoons, family time. Even people who move to other cities or countries, they miss this simple dish. And when they eat it again, it feels like going back home. That's why Pakhala is deeply connected to identity and emotion. Next, part 5 पर आता है. Why Pakhala Divas started? Over time, people realized something important. Modern life is changing fast. Fast food is everywhere. Traditional food is slowly disappearing. So people decided we must protect our culture. That's how Pakhala Divas started. Every year on March 20, people prepare Pakhala, share photos online, celebrate together. Even Odia people living abroad join this celebration. It has now become a global cultural event. पार्ट 6 पर आते हैं. रिलीजियस कनेक्शन क्या है. Pakhala is not only eaten at home, it is also connected to spirituality. In the famous Jagannath temple, Pakhala is offered as part of temple food. This shows it has religious value. It is respected as scared. Food here is not just for the body, it is also for the soul. Next, different types of pakhala. And pakhal divas, people enjoy different varieties like basi pakhala, fermented overnight, saja pakhala, freshly made, dahi pakhala with curd, chong pakhala with spices. Each type has its own taste, but the feeling is the same like comfort food. पार्ट 8 पर आते हैं. मॉडर्न मैसेज क्या है? In today's world, we often chase expensive food, fancy restaurants, first lifestyle. But Pakhala teaches us something important. Like simple food can be the most powerful. It reminds us stay connected to your roots, respect tradition, value health over trend. So next time you see a simple plate of rice and water, don't think it's ordinary, because sometimes the simplest things carry the deepest meaning. Pakhala is not just food, it is cultural, science, emotion, and identity. And that is why Pakhala Divas is celebrated. If this video is useful for you, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.